Asia, because we got about pool men in discourse agenda will be very interesting. Member Kikan Gambian Sansa, all government response toward COVID-19, better call a discourse. But more than join Kansansa, left the police Alasia follow. Alasia Kendeke, say view most so many young Koba, Gibela, say La Mufana. But the on be warning do on the Wallam Nendro that a game, moment in Ndrokadong, I will block you. So let me make that one very clear to everybody. So Alasia, and then we will come down Minala Nali Diamonale Kacha, Kafalie, government response, and in told Munam Long County, and in told as a Gambian or Munam Gambia Diati, Gambino Yantamula Munakam, Gambino Yantanya, Nyaibu Gambia Diafi, follow, Ganina Bola Bank Dinduafi. So Baldana Minala Alasia wrong, and then I'll be with you shortly to discuss about the current issue. Anyway, but I'll do my utmost best. Nga la will be used ma be suwa kan folale be manika kan fona folale sajen na suwa badi kon men fona be la me ka fana samoy so dimbe tay mo soto la ni ala inshallah I will discuss bo be mba discuss lo language will be la so ni me ben join kan sansa please I am asking bal appeal ba filali atom pour alsacia sia alasia mina shortly to discuss with you masakundala long kan kata monati COVID-19 response di COVID-19 kuno ngajale kulal keta gambe jang ajanum kuno fene besira ngajale kulal keta gambe jang so wala nan na rajan ni moli discourse ni moli kacha so ni mo ni men join kan science be dan men wala ko asia ali nani video ni alsasia ne ali asia na meta bidan na ali kacha ba ke ni ko ni na so ala asia alsasia no nyanya ni nyam albal hakubo ne ma bi sometimes the network will not be good but the network mo be ya fana ali alon ko network ko la wati but baldana don alasia sia ina tumo jaksukan alabara minali yen nali kacha aliya long munebe mo tay mul sa understand munebe kirin gambe jang because ngajele ku jama be kirin nunto ani membe kirin sayin amankilin ani mo long kam famuleti sia ina tumo jaksukan alabara alinga sia bal baton kam aliya sia mo tay mul sa understand munebe kirin gambe jang because ngajele ku jama be kirin nunto ani membe kirin sayin amankilin ada mula long kam hom ni saya nak minta suka ada modal musa musa ni kirim gambe jang because ngaji le puja mari kirim to ani me kirim sai nama kirim ada mula long kam hom ni saya nak minta suka men ben join kan drong lafta ali video ni alasia I will be with you guys shortly basasia ni ñoo join rek mun ngeen asia men ben join kan ron da ali wali bi ñu alasia aw di bi ñu gay sofi asia ni ñoo join rek mun ngeen asia men ben join kan ron da ali wali bi alasia aw di bi ñu gay sofi okay yang salah baraka alaji be ning may ko man beti o nga feedback nga feed soto alkala fanya please so how is it ngamela sa be nyadi le say so please alasia Alasia wrong, we're going to discuss a very important program, very important component na bola discuss labi. So Alasia no nyanyar ni nyama wrong Alasia. Ala Benyadi, please, I want the feedback for Alia Benyadi. How's the voice? Because what all see the sign Gambeja Ngatonya for you? Moyalo, Mobia, Moetunyalo, Mobia, Tonya execute, Mobia Tonyalo. There's not like Carbon difficulty among your name for that, or Carbon among your name for that, Tonya for what all see that, no for you. So, Natajan Purcolis in ending a bealong. Okay, so Abarakabake, so all the wisest, thank you for following. Please, Alasia Kendeke. This is my first time speaking on Facebook Live. Yung ko discourse member den di masa kundala yung COVID-19 response la. But mbal dan mena alasia and then suwa kan fana mbal do my utmost best nga suwa kan fana do fo say suwa la mural fania understand. Suma mbokk yi luma do wasi so rek moy rek so len se ku ñew join leji moy dama la na ñaan pour ngeen sia nga ñu ñu bari mu ne setan dama fi ñew te waxtana gamé extoni gamé ni wax leen luy responding government in terms of COVID-19 be xewni ak lan na xewon dimba ak lan moy reaction yi Gambian si general public yi ak bala dimba lan na xewon lañ doon liñ doon waxon bala dimba ak té lañ lañ do wax so loolu la bëgg ñew discuss on so ku ñu join léegi mën nga try da nga séal ñu pour ñu bari mëna ñu ñu bari mëna sétal Allah boy so na boy so clear back please let me know about it. Be mul fana be dana fana pour nendiru ko nda manto accept la we don't accept that for anybody moma de nendiru ko dong am moy be block la straight away please so mbal dano this is my page ni mala fakal la moy wrong is better you leave but ni nendiru ko wrong you are going out so mbal dano la remember join kan wrong sign alasia saying comme nga fa na Facebook page nyaming saying ngaji men ko enough is enough jutune ya wala bantaja mo jutulan tela mo jutulan modola so wala bantaja saying so minale and then we will continue doing this nimole diamu jutune ya abantala tak it's time pour nga diamu nyoy nga to nyafa nyoy na diate me yafo si kumaron député wala nga den I don't care I care less about that one but to nya watol sita and then man punsa to nyafa nyoy so membe join kan saying alasia jeni bidu na program ko no alasia Alasia Hansai, left Alasia, because this is going to be a very interesting topic. So left you share Alasia in as much as you can. Manta fin spiala babi la follow tonya. Abinya memba follow nyama, manta mo spiala, manta sila la mola, mang sila mola, bukan sila nung kabiru nundo. So bimang punya memang sila do mo fanana. So Alasia please. Alasia and then also fana ale feedback ko dina comme na fonko be nyaming phone na voice woni is okay babu be ya left ko fana lone and bala de left ka camera la position so that everybody can see and then here so mala be nyaming just please left me na alasia and another feedback or give me feedbacks please now be better in fana ngalia fonye now be better fana please you let me know please ngal dani alasia yani beduna programme woni kono in next 4 minutes time beduna programme woni kono me programme woni start lale so please me woni ben follow kan drong ala try aliasia in next 4 minutes dina do programme so ku ñew follow rek mo nga sia dañ la ñaare nga sia ina mo ta nañ sia comme niñ ko muni rek lumay ñaan rek moy ku saga bogut ku bëgga sa idea mun nga you can follow in your ideas why ku fi saga rek I am sorry you go here I'm going to block you I own my page I own my Facebook so ku fi saga rek nga xamne di nga dem so loolu la am pour wax len amul ne ni ak ni bokuma ci yoy nonu ku fi saga rek you are going why anybody who have an idea or hamne lo bëgga add you can comment or whatsoever that's fine with me why other than saga mo kay duma ko acceptal ken so in next 4 minutes dinaa door programme bi wax leen kan mooy man suma boppa Seku Morong fan naa door yi suma life because it's a high time you have to be frank to each other wax yi dañ bari. Okay, assalamualaikum bading men be follow kan ani men fana binam follow la be mo be konton na itola ke konton nyun sunkar di mala ka me ko nyun sunkaro memba kono ten kari bunyari mba ka fo mo be ko Ramadan Karim ngamo be dua sunkari kendola alma ale ngunda kono bismillahir rahmanir rahim la alma ngabang alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin na najang nata janne pour na le discourse on issues men yalan ko we happening Gambia jang tele mo albadi male mo honorable Seku Morong la to kunda sabiji mbolo represent kam parliament and then ben biography short biography di la wrong pour mo yalan ko jumale mo honorable Seku Morong ti honorable Seku Morong wuluta september karole wuluta wala 1985 wuluta sati recovery ben ko bade Morong kunda ni to Morong Kunda is in central Badibu wuluta wolto left front Badibu at the age of 6-7 nem botege or mon dindingo then wolto ngana primary school ne Junior secondary school nata nan kana bundu nungu time mo nga Junior nga start Charles Memorial de nu boto to ntara sukuta upper basic ngana grade 9 sukuta upper basic le mboto sukuta upper basic ntata Newswat Senior Secondary School ngana grade 12 sit wolto nga grade 12 bang antara Gambia Technical Training Institute nga degree ko to electrical electronic nga diploma soto to bin mo bang do ko ke stand Senegambia Beach Hotel as electrical do ko ke ji Senegambia Beach Hotel bin mo bang be wolo kono nata bondi gen Senegambia nata University of the Gambia nga computer science leke anda nga biology minor so wala mun na fongo na biology minor BS le soto in computer science so and then bro to be nga computer nga bang nga University of the Gambia bang fanang be nata nga do ko ke Standard Chartered Bank men woto fo nata dunda political interest Standard Chartered Bank men minimal long in short wala mo honorable Seku Morong because dia mosiata do ba falo kon to leliye keteng bari kuma kilinda ma rek mbadat la wala mo ning alama menka menti mo buka mo ken wati ning alama Seku Morong ka député mota Seku Morong ken wala député tonya ale sababu landire an wo sababu be ji an ngo sababu la accepter bari fana mo fo sa understand ko ala taala la sa Seku Morong ko avec les député le ndo dip sa fero ning jongota abanno kon please même na kan don sansa mo be join kan don ala sia nim boto ton sinadu na tupi ko kono be men discourse la wala mbiti wala ko Gambia Masakunda Gambia government ye bara ko menke one mo la to lalang concrete towards this to the response of the COVID-19 dia mo siata nga jele bir Rwanda le president Paul Kagame ye kengol di the whole Gambia was praising Paul Kagame mo reje ngaje Senegal le president Macky Sall fan yake Gambia be bo Macky Sall press kam e ba folo ko Macky Sall man sa kendo ko nyine nyaro ko kendo ko nyine the same thing applies to Paul Kagame and then alhamdulillah kunu ngaje His Excellency President Adama Barrow afana na Masakunda afana ye fuke me alon ko is a history so mo isa mo ko nyaawnyira ndi nyaama na ku ke me alon ko anyanta wala kala fon safo so wala tan tan ya ngafo and then nying be continue la la sayin ka hay mol fu mol yeko Masakunda be munake kan Masakunda nyanta munakela mune la don ko mumeti nyanta munakela watu wala sayin minal ni mol diam bari fana Masakunda fem ni ka sayin a wato sidal ngana ni mol be diam la ka fay ko Masakunda nyine ke tafe mabola mba folel as it is kunun sukuro dita ninga la sukuro dita tulo dita adimano Masakunda ye wala di ninga jiben COVID-19 state of public emergency bin lume nga declare no Masakunda na te ko ngati tanko to dira wala loi bu ko men fotil tanko to 90 days di ban to député bon ko nga tala ban no fendi so wakati na debate wodi je mol diamutala mo jama contributor mo be la lonkan wat fo so biru wakata alhamdulillah Masakunda na response ke wala kada kununti ye mano sulo tulo ning sukuro di and then mano tulo ning sukuro eko 85% of the Gambia population will be nafa be nafa rani non ngame this is a history in the bringam fangolong this is a history birindun tanga masakunda ko lo ngam fangolong do nga jawra I know a little bit about ja PPP government no ratal mundi ngoti but APRC masakunda ngaku kala mutole ku jama kala mutole from 1994 to date nga fulu ngame masakunda banta ngaku kala mutole say adamu baro masakunda na eko ha adamu baro mbafula ko nyaali wala eko public for them comme taxpayer la ko dolem ha tunya nsonda taxpayer la ko dolem du ngajele ko taxpayer la ko do anyanta dun nadula to masakunda ya dun demedo wala en si jambi pour na ningambe di wala ngakacha mam balanko masakunda e ko mano men di kunu ntani tala taxpayer to le mu taxpayer to le di okay balim fana ntol kidi wala lotanu nko adama baro la response was very late eko adama mantara respond kan covid-19 ko mole sis wokono so eko mole sis wokono ni sira wokono ge president woni wonata hanu wanyanyata nin ko hani mallafala adama baro ha ay manu dile ay sukuro dile ay tulo dile but it's from the taxpayers money my dear ngame fo moli jumale ko is not taxpayers money at first place na moni ngi ngawol mbe alon ko is taxpayers money so do you want to tell me that Macky Sall e ko men di Senegal manul di men di Senegal fo wol manka taxpayers money tiba Paul Gakami me alkame feta ko men di almano men di ala mol is that not taxpayers money alangam fo ngi ngawol moni ko masakunda mu jele pour une taxpayer la ko men di masakunda la ya utilize mona ya dundi kunto dundi nyala mi alon ko as a reflect back to be anen kunu nyaaya wala ji but hanu wo nyaanya ndi ngajel gambe di mo lo tamel alon ko they are criticizing the president unata me alon ko aya kata anala masakunda kaje ko gambe nantre ko dula gambe mo kemele yi mo tan seni nani be wala babalu soto la je ngalon ko is the responsibility of the government pour koke and ni ba ke kan way ntolu gambe di wul manyen na tal na after our government mbe mol nenna mbe mol fola kariten and then the worst part of all is like ko president Adam Barrow is clueless ngana ko he is clueless amala be menkela abgala be memfola amal ready no so with all Adam Barrow membeke nyaji je wokono na me ka fenkini way fenkini me je de wolam do ko Adam Barrow e wodo pronounce ama pronounce no koke so that's the only thing Gambia will be based in Mena. It's rather unfortunate. Until we have to look at things many other banko sambalanyato. Many alonko Gambia abe Gambia developer. Masakunda nata with all the effort you membe. Ita man fenso ka memfo yaka foko aka wodo pronounce them. Alanga jibe mfamo fe wrong. Masakunda men nata. Iko ebe ambulance ol sanna. 33 ambulance president ya announce. Because akobila tara tolanu Gambia for ko blado be jemi yaron ko ni mol sa table pour ka samba loptanu ka ko le male so ida e ambulance ul masa kunda ambulance ul amanda ambulance ul mala ambulance ul nata e ko e manda wala mala jambando jambando fertilizer menan ko pour training sama senomen kanane tay wo fanan kai saje masakunda senal fana makoy yo okay amanda wala fana ko me ventilator soto na banko kanja mbe x-ray machine soto na banko kanja e ko 1000 beds ye même parendi in case mo ne covid-19 soto wolbe kala la responsibility ba hanu nyanya ne ko masakunda man trafena ko ntola right len ka masakunda criticize it's your right, it's your responsibility to conduct exercise. But saying what will sit a man spade a spade, give the devil his due. Hey, this is what we have. On Facebook, ele uruba on your la platform ebe president na. Do you think that I am African? Or abe samali nyatol? Foeti amiro nende wolbe president bonneja. Niti amiro nende wolbe president Barrow bonnila be sile lemendo. Oti amiro nende wolbe honorable Sekou Morom bonnila deputy ala mena lata kunda jam. Ebe fon la nini ka. Hey, alanga to nya fo nyoye. ni mun na man sakundalti ni mun to laga meldi and même fon kante gena surprise me iko Adama Barrow is a clueless fo atol ma ko Adama Barrow is clueless the force atumbala Adama Barrow competed with ko mume ko Halifa Sallah be jela ana computer anan bi we are all clapping for Halifa Sallah why ndo Halifa Sallah ni da why ma left Halifa Sallah ni left Halifa Sallah la no be Adama Barrow ko Adama Barrow is clueless so why would you choose Adama Barrow over Halifa Sallah na Adama Barrow choose akana president Gambia kat yo fay a winter so bi ko Adama is clueless so bi le tlan ko Adama Barrow is clueless kunu ite man ko Adama Barrow is clueless muna tane bi mu futata ko Adama is clueless al ngam fawni nan kawal muna tane ko Adama is clueless hey bi mu Gambia di moti momo ni wuluta Gambia jabi ay Gambian citizen al ngam bi let us just be honest to ourselves ngato nya fa ñuwe Adama Barrow ani meni coalition wala lo the former vice president Fatoumatta Tamba Jambe coalition ayaba Monday we were all muted nobody complained Mbotaji Oje Jallow the former minister of agriculture they all play a role in coalition ya bay man fem fo we all muted Demba Ali Jaw ya bay man fem fo je ani minister do men be bayta man fem fo all man ka Gambia di ngote ngam fo ñin ka are these people not Gambians fo ñu man jar ka Gambia place Gambia tera Gambia place ba ala ngam fo ñin ka wala fo fo ntele fi sa tolti bang fo itele fi sa tolti bang fo mo do le fi sa tolti bang so because min tata la famita Adama Barrow fanan ko sayinde nga mbenna do ko kelare ndum anybody who is going to be my obstacle mbe baynal ay start ka mol fita bra fita ro data after mo do la fita ro ko e ko Adama is clueless but remember Adama to us is like Moses is to Israel and we still stand by that ndala do ko men wala kam masa ko to do oversight we are doing ni mo den tolla debate o jiben on the state of public emergency we discuss nte personally nkola ko 7 days is okay kli woro wulo akanyantare amanya tamila ni masa kunda be level tamila kli woro wulo aba fol mo yelo ko ay munni mun soto moliye pour kli woro wulo mo yatna in fact mo de ci sokon I even ask the executive ko you go back to the drawing board alial fonda da you come back to us gene be ni approve la par yalla men keta tay mo sita we need to talk to Ikola be to nyala fo la ñewé iko fase ko mara ko mun dibité wodi bang for you are ready to come back to parliament next parliament fonko di fonko ngo mbeme fo la mo de wala ko nte ye alajel nama mum men ke menti buka kati fonte mi na dibité ala next 2022 fonte na dibité ala 2022 na sida be sinala mo be la set barintela do ko nobody will dictate me on mbeme kala nobody on this earth will dictate me wala kidding je ite polo re ko masa kunda man trafenke kam masa kunda na re ko sai mbe Gambia di wol makole 84% of the Gambian population ko be makola iko hanu nyanyandi taxpayer la ko dolem ge banko me lan ko ite ka Macky Sall même place ite ka Paul Kagame même place Paul Macky boy so dama ninke please okay so please just give me 2 minutes ite ka Macky Sall même place ite ka Paul Kagame même place so wala fi sa tete president why mbe aje jal lume Macky Sall manu di the whole social media was painted with Macky Sall Paul Kagame get the same Adama Barrow ina even do better than what Macky Sall did because Adama Barrow you make it ay manodi ay sukurodi ay tulodi ay jambandol fanandi pour sene sama men kanate bala nyani ko hani amen with Adama Barrow men be fo wodulanto ay ku kendo men be fo ji they are not talking about it one thing them I call for them ko ya whole they are talking about e ko mum fen Adama Barrow ko I wordless pronounce akaba for solidarity for solidarity ba fum is Adama Barrow not a human being like me? Is he not a human being like you? Are you better than Adama? Hey, Alunga Ponya Funyu. Gambian, tell me who is better than Adama Barrow? Who is better than Adama Barrow? Niba for a deputy obe jali ala president with anything. Come fue, memmantalong alta mo ninka. Kabilin day one nganum foy. Kabilin the first day I graduated from high school, I get to Balumena. Wolumena I give exam about Lumena. 3 days after Lentata Kata Leborado Cola. Kata Gotal Sim, Balamin. Tilotili Kanjo, $50. The whole day. Nkata. More in Kameni long. Why did I do that one? nga start ka campagne since ben nga get wel ba nga start ka campagne mbota je ntara giti tay Gambia Technical Training Institute tay mo ntara jiru nga kuran do ko kenu ningi dan kata rabala bala na kuran do ko fonkola ngana fonkan na source of anin soto mbo ko non tata attaque men no Sénégal attaque men ko na rabala bo ya sobe ya jento wala ne yenta do ko la hey mol man tata député yalla ken senkede yenta député yalla bi ko ya sobe ya jembala mol ni nin ka men be ni debe livring men be ka diamu ka wewe Facebook o ka wewe dulato you don't know who Sekou Maron is banima long just go and ask kafon to ledi ka député hey alien kay molen ka député bari yakule soutien to wala ne yalla nako ni lo tambe winnal yalla nako mundin ken dolti fana wala ne yenkati non te tenkalati wayi mo jimala liani ni mana yenda choose over them ye mona kita mona promote ndo right clueless my dear it's I didn't amanka politiko te yefem fin fo ya fo dara ala be konti bola la day of the judgment anan billahi wallahi taala ita fara ala me imadi ala be konti bola ndama takelo ndama ko nonsense valid. I'm not those type of guys and I will never be one. I will never be one. Hey, this is Ndala Mansa Kundala Yindi. I vote for Adam Barrow, I campaign for Adam Barrow, and I'm going to support Adam Barrow till the very day he is going to let this office. Mwamoja, who is going to stop me from doing it? I don't see that guy. Mwamoja, member tina kafoko, member volunteer ko ha teng Adam Barrow teng. Adam Barrow celebrate. You are the very one who celebrated Adam. You are the very one who chose Adam Barrow over Halifa Sallah, over OJ Jallow, over Ahmad Ba. And you know very well that all the current and Karami Adam Barrow. Muna at that very place. Emolta. Hey, Alinga Punya for you. Why? Alinga Punya for you. Be there is nothing called distraction. So please, you never get Adam Barrow made a cut your fire. Ndumbida tata ko bi tata lampo at the early stage ndol yalla nako adam wala karaw man jamfa ngalo nako Halifa Sallah karanda kana Adama Barrow ngalo nako OJ Jallow experience surati I'm black now. He was very clear to you. Akwainako, I have no experience in governance. He expects people to work with him, to lead him through. But woman kere. Saying today they all start pointing finger to Adama Barrow. Hey, ni me amire pointing finger to Adama Barrow, olbe Adama Barrow gindila. Ne ala tema yu ibe mele bulu ko wonde kala kala ene mo promote ha mo dem promote je masakunda nata ndol fon la yafo ngo masakunda e fen sama na yadi babu di wala taxpayer la ko dole me kadundi wolto so masakunda e taxpayer jo e la ko do me kadundi mol kunto sa masakunda na rekodi hano nyanya de ko the only excuse they have there wala ko taxpayer kodolem. Yes, who denied that it's a taxpayer's money? I even have a taxpayer kodolem. You are the very one president Macky Sall. For Macky Sall ko I mean diala mola bunda ko solko. Macky Sall e wol faale ba. Hey, Gambia di wol. Adama Barrow mum man salti me yalon ko. Ndoko makini fola la ko do. Adama. Amman ko fawolo. Adama, aya fawo maji ba ken. Adama Barrow, Abubakar Ross. Adama mu masa sifal hey bal ala men fo mule ko ni fo ji atale ki siga ndu ala ba Adama Barrow sigala ngala ka fal Adama Barrow nga start fo Adama Barrow 3 years on ni December sida bitale ay December cross le sen ko ngata 2021 fana be sila we'll talk about this thing again. Hey Gambia ala nga jibe bang mun ni mun do ko ko lekete on Adama Barrow ni nga start ka fo jang atabanna je hanu nyanyande ko Adama Barrow is clueless. He is clueless. Hey, Adama Barrow is clueless, but he is 1,000 times better than you. Itaben kafoko he is clueless. Huh? Alaji bedo. iko adama baro do ko men kaje ko niyaji ka adama baro men kaje nko ni tara basi adama baro do ko men kaje nko wala bi lafta mon la Gambia la all development should not be concentrated on one area. So adama tara basi he did extremely well. Not only Basse from Fonte, let's forget about Basse, but Alinga the system will be gonna be. Everybody is free, everybody is talking. Han wada madama from Alhamdulillah. Eh nunto ninto kata do ko no Banjul ke kia fule from moto me duna ko. E ka dun taxi kono from Westfield or from Latrikunda up to Banjul. Han nyap ita fola because you don't know who you are with. Be obe botankan. Everybody is talking. We all have the right. Wala nga kate fo wala kam wala tina nyata diamulale. We all have the right to talk. Alhamdulillah. Let us talk. Banimbe diamo fola nga fo aninto nyala. Nga semi de to nyala. But say let's just make it very clear to everybody. Now there is nothing like at a moon deputy or anything. Momo din tata if you just go agenda from me and come to we will come and clarify it to people. Mbasinanda mulma set. Che. Muna bekiri. Iko President Barrow. Huh? And this is his government. Na yako ko hani. Yaje kunu ya dunia be nyaje. Ite mon pending juro kunu alambaro diamoro for one word me anko I am Isdama. Ite as a patriotic citizen of Gambia. Many anko ite nyata contribute gari. Sale masakunda be many salafa. Ngaji be where their loopholes are ngafoi so that we can address it together. But instead it mata okelade. But never caring. Munda be caring. Huh? Alta, Ali Bamba, 2021 we can make it very clear to you. Amanjamba is just at the corner. Sekumara. Look, I am a professional. I know my job. Ngado komen kan ngano le nunga kero. Hani manka di bido bi mbita ngana ngam balunde. Ngam fale to at the beginning. Ngam fon balunde kabisa fa ngeke to ba wato. Wota mo nga sar kam fon balunde. Jani mbedi amule ko aya sanne $10,000 a hold diala adam boro so wultanda. Ngo sai adam boro mo wultandi na sai. Wuli kema hold na sai. $100,000 a hold na sai. What are we kidding? It's a high time of Punyafonyo. Che Mansakuna Nata. With a very good initiative. Mela want to be join as a Dimbaya killing. Benny Kuran water on Bakila no Yami. But honey, womanke. Bekon Kero. Bari Maninko left Macon, I left a mobile now. Lowalamko. Fisamante, I get how that have a jutna. Yellow woman is Afisatila, Afisati, Hakilop. Huh? Young go marry. You just had a money facility. I am behind Adamaboro 100%. I keep saying it and I will keep repeating it. But Masakunda and Kuoku and slow manta ulunda. I will stand out. Minalang I talk about it, I discuss about it. But if I'm along go and this slow it Abedoko can approve a Gambedi one Makoi. Being up for so and then outside, look, we are ready for it. We are just ready for anything. Kapo Karamu Dibito also what meaning what Mana Diamula, Mana Tonya Palamo. Dibito for intelligent Diamula Mulia understanding the carry. Hey, Gambediur, Alinga Nyare. Alinga Nyare. Adamabaro Masakunda, Gambia men Sotoka. Huh? Aladam Malalo. Masakunda men at Bicana, the Pemotra Kofato. And I try, Ayakata. With all his clue, he's a clueless. You never go man understand. Adamabaro is clueless. But you very Adamabaro is clueless because you know that Halifasala is more educated than Adamabaro. You select Adamabarota, Yalifasala Bulaji. So be can happen to Adamabaro is clueless. Who are you for me to believe you? I will never do that one. Adama, you earn my respect and I will be with you till the end of time. Konga Fanyame. Che, what I get that? Huh? It is the whole COVID-19 response from me. It is a pension of Adamabaro and then let's be given. Atatele komo be tank moment ya ko contribute towards the COVID-19. Do alo ko masakunda ta be kenola. Mo kilin na meni manol ni pengol di mole ye makoro ko bulto siem ni ko tay. In fact even went to the kaf dipito le ko ngala effort ni ngare recognize a lot of la minute. I left time ki say. Hey, ni man la fi fongola. Ni man la fi fongola nobody will live outside la fi la katami mola. If you just prefer Macky Sall over Adama Barrow, let me tell you, Macky Sall will never come to Gambia and become our president. It will never happen in this earth. It will never happen. Macky Sall, never. Paul Kagame will never come to Gambia and become our president. We have Adama Barrow. Let's support Adama. 5 years old, 30, I'm 5 years old. At the end of the year 2020, we go for election. But as of now, But why all this grievance? Munatina, Manakiri. Huh? Sankajula, okay, no problem. Adama Barrow give me $1,000, $100,000, so I can do play singing. So you never kidding. Alinga tonya for new. Che. Modi has start Adama Barrow. Being in woman Ketaga, we were all complaining. I took it upon myself. Janibaba state of public emergency myself, Abla Sise, Honorable Sekou Bajaju, Ndara King FM. Nga time to discuss with people, put yellow complaint from you. Ninta deputy more than for Modi. We did that one. People call and then we relay that information to people. This is exactly what we say. So what make it up? We say, well, to go 7 days. We go more complain on to go 7 days. So when at the bring sita, Musa na Molka, Uncle Mutari Yanko, Triwara Kanantari, Canto Molve Jamelanko, Marcel Salary, and do quick Holodomo. Fine, we all understand that one. In the government, let us have and the Muslim Farasoto, the man not to Venezuela, Yemen or Marsoto, never saw the Solona, Equasi Sohono, Ibafole, the Sila Monacan Sohono. And the Nemas of Kunana be with that support. Who are you to tell me that Gafuko is a taxpayer's money? You want a man who is taxpayer's money? Makisale Mendi, is that not taxpayers' money? Makisala is from my pocket. Paul Kagami Al who told you Propaganda is from their pocket? Huh? You want to find it? Huh? All Kadiamianko didn't even know what's happening. Huh? Who they are for Siata? Molva Misleadla. Ikamoje Mombuki Mileni Alatemola. What Molbo Fola, Ketan, people are saying all sorts of rubbish. From the killing. Huh? My dear, it is enough for I. Adama Barrow is here to stay. 2021 will determine an election or whether he's going to win it or not. But as far as he's in office, Adama Barrow is my Adama Barrow. Let me repeat again. As far as he's in office, Adama to me is like Moses is to Israel. My dear, Nina the whole time ha allegiance if he's now supporting Adama Barrow. Walatna tending go ha until an allegiance because the very day when I was running in office, Mbekate for Adama Barrow support. And this is exactly what I'm doing. And I will never, let me repeat it again, I will never betray that. Never. Mbekate for your funny. You go Adama Kate for Adama Barrow support. Sami Adama Barrow for support like Kohani. Almanian Adama Barrow support. Simply because hey, never fale ala jibe al fonfi. Adama Barrow mun to Adama Barrow. I mo jelle lefolo bayi. Bini Adama Barrow part mata tamba jamba we all it was okay to all of us. Bra Oje Jallo by nobody complain. Bra my Fati by nobody complain. Bra Demba Ali Jaw by nobody complain. Je, are these people not Gambians? Am I better than them? Are they better? No, these people are Gambians like me, like you. Yeah. Saying, we don't call that another way around because Adama Barrow is clueless. Among fellow. But Gambia, the Gambia population, the Gambia population is about 2 million plus. But Munatina Alako, I Adama Barrow Dama Bondi 2 million plus. I have someone I couldn't go president. Munatina Ayoke. It's a Adama criticized Munela. There is nothing they mention against Adama Barrow. Even for he's corrupt. And nobody will give you an evidence that this is the corruption evidence. Even more for it's not there. Je Adama Barrow na Tama Sakunda within Sanji Saba Basebe do Kuka. Je wol ay Bridjol you saw Yeleta Basse Bridjol do Kuka. Yena Jang OIC Kana OIC projects are coming to start. Huh? Yena there's a series of projects. Amam me moral loan approve kam. Pour que mano men kana gambe jan sa mano satla gambe di on fon sele mano do ko point. Niyo jiben dwale be ne fa la musol lem animen de santola. Hano nyani ko Adama Barrow is clueless. That's all what they will tell you. Adama Barrow in Jamfale, Adama Barrow is clueless. Yeah. Well, I'll stick with Adama Barrow. I'm a move anybody. Yeah, let time will betray. Why don't we talk about it at the very day I am my party by Palasut? Where am I party by? That was the very right time I get up. Or been a coalition, I've been having for salary. Let's go for 3 years. Why don't we talk about it at that moment? Yes, Halifa Saleh for 3 years. Why don't we all push and stay by the 3 years? But more, Barrow is our Barrow. Barrow is like Moses or Israel. So Adama Barrow, in fact, found he's a clueless. Adama Barrow clueless. kon Gambia be mele clueless president so because that Adama Barrow is in above office of Adama Barrow, he is in that office. And then we can pump in this for the Kafoko, Kari Ajokodola. A moment ago, Adama Barrow and Ayajokodola. Yaman Adama by Mobe Jolo, Adama Barrow, Adama Barrow, you are the richest president in the whole world. Seriously, you are the richest president in the whole world. If you are paying all everybody, so Nimpa $900,000 can come because we are the richest president in the whole world. Okay, what is going on? Ngala mo menya ngom fo wala ya bondi nga nganya ni molia nga wafi molia sang get be sita because of you have a section of mole ya ni promotion do ma ngo adama manka mo kenede adama manka president adama is clueless adama is that every day on Facebook or everywhere ni adama ni ko adama baro tan do ko ay joko dola adama 10,000 dollar I brown envelope dollar ngo nte I have graduated from brown envelope I'm now receiving red envelope from adama baro ntala fonde honda burse ko mo Kafoko ha the next election me kalala naman interest me hey momundi lati fon la ko you can just defeat me in election 2022 is just at the corner just come nti ay mpola I says it anamba fola kotenke ni Allah Taala tema mbe sundi menga ha hanin tem masilala takalati yimbal wokono ni alama menka député di ngena takalati yimbal wokono wa gambe di wol al ngan daji ko fali hey ni na nyaton ko ko melan ko abeti atale let's discuss it with them nga fuko alin ka bitata mais ni ma ki fanan melan ko ngalan ko is wrong we know it's our right to discuss about it la min tieta ndeta dam kula ndadi te nga jolo na kabi dinniwo tay mo len ke bulo mutanu ke sama karamo so ni be ji ali nga jibe to ndata campaign ta Adam Barrow nga pol bek Adam Barrow Adama na asita ikafoko hey Adama yen jamfale ali jamfa Adama Barrow la and then badi mun kol anato kiyan kol man let me just be frank to you ala ngam fo cross bo jene kene ngajibe PPP masa kuna na nyanga muleka koko let's go for the opposition ngara opposition nga keten ten albeta many silfri batata NCP ntam myself nde I was interested NCP support no mfama ka NCP no so be kono ka NCP support no ge PPP masa kuna na tan koko no wo fanan tata e ha jeme na da fanan the same thing Adama Barrow fanan na to Adama Barrow même fon le campagne kala nga sindigi nga ko be kay e kale ko Adama ya jamfala ino ko Adama ya jamfala ay ni kay te jamfa mu ne la ito folani ita ko Adama ya jamfani la e be me folo la MB3 ay MB3 mu ne la ndol ni Adama jumale juma B3 hey ndamanta bu lalo kono de Adama Barrow imam bitre sama imam bitre sininding and I'm standing by you che what be hearing why kole ha for some time even just to talk from is a problem hey it's a high time alfinta alidia mo ngaponya fanyoy mo mata mo fala we are all Gambians nda wuluta Gambia le mba wuluta jam fa wuluta jam mama wuluta jam mu wuluta be wuluta Gambia jam I'm a Gambian muna kita problem ba tan tan diamo fola hey inna me foto wala enough is enough ba fola le kende ka fon so ni na kiri every day clueless me take no men ka for clueless every day ba fokam Adama Barrow man felong he is clueless amala ka li nyamen amanyilo ite mo kilungo ite nya Halifa Sallah je you choose Adama Barrow over Halifa Sallah ite mo kilungo le nyaaye eninge oje jaloje ya Adama Barrow ta itele may fati Adama Barrow ta itele o dolbe je Adama Barrow ta ge bi tay Adama Barrow ta ikinu kana ko ko Adama Barrow is clueless san you be lalo we just not me nde yana the difference between Sekumaro and others is that mbemmen ton katara wol nimbe mento ninko mbe nyina support this is what I'm supporting ninko manta nyi support kan I am not supporting it that is me I cannot hide I say it as it is I tell you the truth manta kila manta support la nyini nyinem ge family kida kabiri what every day Adama Barrow ge fo Gambe mbo wati ko men yalon ko Gambe le suuro mun kuti mbe men kacha ha wala be kiring Gambe mun be kiring ye Adama Barrow me yalon ko fole na kati fay nga ko be kay nga ko pengo be try nga ko be leke pour être président ge we ke président do we praise him
mbe ko be falama Adama is like Moses to us. Adam Barrow is our Barrow, Barrow is this, Barrow is that, Barrow thing, Barrow ya kulutare, aya fama majile. But now, all of a sudden, what are you falling? Huh? When are you falling? Can we talk about Barrow in 2017 and Barrow now is different? Tell me the difference. Hey, ni left any muna masakundarity. Adam Barrow ko kunni ka jabe tulan tulale jam. It will be there for us. Adama Bitale and Gambia will stay. Ya Jamie Amanta, he's not even in Gambia, but Ya Jamie Doku and Beka Jabijan, and they are all in the country. I should have Doku, I think they are all with us. Adam Barrow and Bitale, I remember the Doku, I pledged. Come Alanga joining a president Mark, I found Doku and Kumbe Sulala Lele. What a Mutonia, Alanga Tonya for New Year. Political deception, huh? Political, no name political. Aling Kamempali, San Camino Eutabe. Nkame mpono ngami just repeat it. Yemme kaya jeme kari funke kaya jeme tenin. You cannot succeed in doing that to Adama Barrow because simply because mona neka kino wala mbe nyolo mbe nungum kino kono so bundale ta do donne be nyolo ne ngalo membe keri huh je bring you call start and be we all complain they have a program, a series of program to complain about Masakunda. Comme ñata gambe dol ma koy la gambe dol ni sulata ma koy rol ani ngola ni ge bi na Masakunda na tay bokki ko ha taxpayer la ko dolem amala Barrow ma ñena proud lola taxpayer la ko dolem te ninten hey remember Adama Barrow is the chief is atlem chief of the defense staff fonko ti ñingti mbafa la ñam ngare commander in chief whether you like it atlem to nya fa ñoy dron hey nin kuna men ko ko la gambe dol ko alim be lo nga kele nga je ko ay bondigi Gambia jana nga femfo the keep popularity moment kama nyine wo political scores kama nyine this is the time yana ko ngata ni yoro look I am a Gambian and I am a proud Gambian to ngejay men yalla ko they are giving out to the people ngejere mo kata fo basé ma fon la badibu ko mo jang dula jamalto ika manul di sukurolu tulolu be mo ma koy kan ngola sulan sulata wala bibi dara after all, couldn't offer men before, couldn't comment it. People start talking about Adaman thing, I never got a man thing. So told what I'm going to Facebook Coco, Gambian, did we really know what we want? From how long have I left them in about Adama Barrow, Alango Gambia population is over 2 million people. Or 2 million people, I'm all very belly. I am Barrow Bondinko, I am a president. Black and African president, nobody knows about him. Mojimabi Malong. What Alako Abekalati. But in coming for go, all history given, Gambia history ala given. Sadawara Kairabajora. Bernard as a president. He comes from nowhere to become a president. Yaya Jambi, the same thing. Alam Barrow the same thing. Wala en ko alako alingan hakilotu. Mandin kolko. Ye gutina yaje dawoda. Fisa mantea alkabundal kono. Akabundi wol. Gutina yaje dawoda. Fisa mantea kabundi wolato. Gambian pulule Adama Barrow Masakunda membeke. Kunu mappen sort of men criticize the Pokapoko, Adama a word all pronouns instead of solidarity, Akuman I don't even know how to even say it. That's all. After what Masakunda membeke, all what you see is what Adama Barrow word pronouncing. My dear, that's a shame. That is a shame on us. Let's promote. You think you can just score a political popularity like that? No way. It's not gonna happen. Trust me, it will never happen. It will never happen. It will never happen. This is the problem. Come on, later on. Nyata ko tanke Adama Barrow ko dol diala aya sanne ten ni to nya fato ko Adama Barrow yi sanne. But once you go FM for Adama Barrow, everybody will clap for you. Hey, Karteng. Come on, that is not what we need. That's not the Gambia that nyenta men lola. The Gambia that nyenta men bila wala Gambia me anoko maninka jola fula serel aku mbebe kuna jere. And we will all have equal share. That's the Gambia nyenta be nyenta wala nyenta kan tol be la Gambia. Gambia me anoko ninta nata akse maninka be kuna jere. Jola be kuna, fulo be kuna, manjako be kuna le. Teko be kuna jere. Siyo be kuna le. Wa Gambia wala nyenta kan tol la Gambia. Nyenta wala kila la fulo yo. And then let me tell you something. Gambia mo leftala wo e man lafala wo Adama Barrow is our president. President Barrow, he is our president. Let me make that one very, very clear. Once we are a Gambian, if you're staying in Gambia or for outside, but you're calling yourself a Gambian, know that Adama Barrow is our president. And then tento sokle dunia mengo abo stoplen. Ala ya tele keji. Bari alingan daha ka jutu mola. Alingan daha ka jutu mola. Jutu na ya mom betia alay ka fisamanta ya bondi jutu na wala ko jutu na ya ko. Ndolele Adama Barrow je nga select nga Halifa Sallah bulaje nga Oje Jallow bulaje nga Mai Fatty bulaje nga Ahmad Banjul bulaje mi dal ko those people they will 40 alamati it will experience surati pan tole kinu nga Adama select why going to lead us bi nga select for Adama lead us we start clapping for him I am all by man for it but the moment I told ma ron ko bi ko banet ron e ko ha Adama Barrow en jam fale this is the only diam we ball for la ban mo ni ga jam fa men nobody will tell you I jam fa la nan ko ay kar bay ay jam fa mun la afoni. Hey, let's understand that Gambia is bigger than any individual in this country. This is the Gambia. Gambia is bigger than anybody. Adama Barrow, let me tell you. Let me warn you again. Look, at the end of 2021, Adama Barrow, we are going to hold you accountable. So, we are going to hold you accountable come 2021. So, look, you are the president of this country. You are the president of the Republic of the Gambia. He's the president. Atlemon, even the president of the jam. Kafo Kamul, Kafo Karlem, no. Medo Kokemel Kanyata Kelly. Look for people that are competent to run the country, period. Momoni Makomina Moneta Kenola body. Nothing will come out of it. You are the president. Fentekela. Hey, Gamol Jalamolia, who said Janeko Tans, Dizama Adama Barrow Vitala. Adama Yele City in the State House and say. And then 2021, time will tell. Ninga fodol ka foko ha ndolele ka fay kari ndolele campaigno ka kari ndolele nyinke nko ponya atolele ka fay atolele campaigno kanyi bal bila be campaigno kan ning Allah taala te man ko fa be sundinde e ko nyela ko ni kra dipito ya Adama Barrow ya makoy that's what happened ani mbo wala ke kan exactly ni mba makoy lam mba makoy to nyala kan barka fa jutuna ya never I will never do that one hani dia no me ngaje mo ko jutla nti I'll talk about it huh Adama mo tora, ama mo fa, ama mo sorong, ama mo bayjang. No, everybody is free to talk. Everybody is free to talk. And then woman Adama tin tole liyo sama bi on tole katio fay. Je, ngana katio mem fay Adama Barrow mbo katio mbo la protector. That's what I'm going to defend. My vote. Tole yafo ha tenin ndole kete. Look, nte ngani mo me long. Kunu ngamen soto bi ma ko tapon soto. You just want to ask anybody mental. Kunu ngame no moyi, aninka menke no mfangoli, bi mano moyi. I cannot do it. Eh, but man ko falo mbolo ga mata ko masikona. But alta mo ni kamen yel long. Kunu ngame no moyi, bi hana ko ta mano moyi. Fa bi da mun fene, comme député en kamonati. Ndaka député en gagne nyadi leko. Député ya lu, nte data bi mbele député en tumo will go. Someone else will come. That's it. Huh? What is happening? What am I hearing? Okay. It's a Gambia thing too. Senegal Macky Sall is mano di ite you press Macky Sall. Ila man say mano di ko no Adama Barrow teng. What's going on? Ite kilo ngolo ko Adama Barrow. Ko Macky Sall. Kilo ngolo ko Paul Kagame. Kilo ngolo banku do la example di monda. Then Adama also is trying to do that one. At least na press so that he can do more. I mean for them come SME solting. Small and medium enterprise business holding iba support la nyame so that won sol soto no fanan bari mo ko kere Adama is clueless I am betrayed Adama is clueless that's all what they will say Adama is clueless apart from that what are they going be muna fo no la moy apart from that why ala ngoto fa nyoy why ite Adama Barrow la speak men be di kunum ite man fenkilin soto geme men fo la mole fo na maka ko kirindi wolem ko ha wow Adama Barrow do la pronounce no. What is going on? Huh? What is going on? Yeah. What is it? Tonya, not on a political party la ticket wala then yambay okay in fact ni man tabay because ndef mo tadam fo je bambay because yalo nga mem fo nga I mean my word and then nga mem fo modi ente se ko mo lati kuna sabi ko le député momundi men momundi ti balati kuna nja mbake la faye futa momoni fam fani mun na lon konti mbake la melo na lodula fa ngal ko lodula na lodula but mum fen jutu na ya never I will never accept that for anybody not in this world never over my dead body nga fa wala fi sa ñewut ali nga jibe do fali amela mo silata ba mo man silade mo man tala gambe nyame silata look e kam mol bani nyame people kan mol bani do no wol nyama e ka sefelo ko Facebook nyame ngano wol nyama e ka ko audio da ngano wol nyama what you can do we can even do it better than you ni molo ban ñaaje mol ko do react mu nekita ila position no kan walatna lamin keda mbula iti ama rumo ndeke sama kara moto so ndama tena dankula ndeke bulo mo ngi sama kara moto je ko mo ndeke wala be keri ha wat ni mol fem ni kira donc mol yeta biya mo fota mol nene mol banene be mol banene je ha ibo mol nene mol banene be kamala la mol be mol nene mol banene ko ngam faale ni kala no amanta wokla because men kira na kamala ya jeme jene ngalu ko kamala no la nyame so it's not going to work let me make that one very very clear again why ndama man sila kafa ko ninna anin na office na MP ya hanna den tabile bi alhamdulillah because ngalu no ko ngana mulu nyenta lola dem to lola giye bari mum fen nobody is going to move me no way che ndeke me kumbo mbeke memfo so bi ala na te okay president on his leadership president Adama Barrow iko hani Adama Barrow tay nakita ha mo nakita and the only two we can be for mo le diamo be for kuma fule Adama Barrow in betray and nobody will tell you Adama Barrow in betray nyame ite men ko Adama Barrow is clueless Adama Barrow is don't call me darling kan ko na fongo na mo wala mbolo yuska wona internet mo be dawo laptop so wala be ji hey alingan hakiloto nanga repeat ko rek alingan hakiloto fisa mante ya yaja dawda ka ba jutuna yalto alin kana jutu ñola ale melo akanyental alin kana jutu ñola jutuna ya mom betea mbesu ngaro ko alin kana jutu ñola mom mondi yemenke alinga foy ko kari ayt le nyinka abaraka ha hey for the Gambia la fo manta Gambia di mu Gambia di woto ton alinga na Gambia look let us be proud Gambia nobody motina bole nya banta ina na Gambia do kunye hani alinka let us not waste this precious time Gambia soto this is a golden opportunity for Gambia let's make good use of it but me aporo the moment you utter a word ko ye joko dola ona ara boro se mo be joko dola no ha ada masih mo be nyono kulola femfini ay joko dola mo ni ke joko dola ala fo ende wuli keme holdina wuli keme red that's a red envelope a holdina why ke mo be kemi over all these political leaders here. And you know very well they are more experienced than Adama Barrow. So beyond more fala wuru wala Adama is clueless. Adama is this, Adama is that. Alangata. Ko jurna yala. Ala. Alanga jibe do. Huh? Ni Adama Barrow is a problem. Ni momo di Adama Barrow so ko ma Gambia din kendo. Je, duwana Gambia din kendo sai. Jumale mu Gambia din kendoti so mo woni ma Adama Barrow so ma Gambia din kendoti wo mu Gambia din kurumati just listen to yourself once itam Adama Barrow so itam Gambia din kendoti itema adama baro so bodon itlen gambe din kenode ni do rek adama baro nen way kala masa kundano way kam mol nen itlen din kenode itele ka bulo ko sitale nen dal alal fa jibe kuke ni allah taala te malal fa jibe kuke alal fa jibe kuke ba ke ali ajibe alal fa jibe kuke rek men katal for social media on Facebook mol banane mol nen alal fa jibe kuke ala alti ali alal fa jibe kuke rek ala jibe rek bare mol kadiyamul nobody understand ni afo kafoko ha kare corruptele kare kare adama baro let me tell you one thing about him. Nobody in this art can corrupt him. He is very very content. Men ngalong atul men yalo ali nyinka dol ni amoy kafoko adama ha biya ka president wala de mano dinam ko president nunto biya ko president abuka man boro saw no fawe nde jalimbe kala dibi jotu no ndaka man boro jamal sa no fon kadi mol tok les fa adama baro fali amel alaka muneke alaka ngani yola jo mo wandi men ka alabe jola walla fali amel nyim wuru ken son Facebook ni wuru ken son alem forum woni fonko dol bal kala kuti ni allah taala tima atakala ala ngani wa akola jo ndu naba jola demeto mo buga taraji momon pempen noji al men diatay momon ni diatay akol ka nyaton kuti momon pen noji ngani yo alaka wala jo iti amele ka diamo dalo wala ka kuti o manta mo kala kuti Allah is working over everybody momodi yamen ko don ala be jolal momodi yamen fo don ala be jolal yemen fo to nyala ala be jolal yemen fo to nyanta ala be jolal Allah he's working over everybody je wala mo masakunda ite mo gambe di muti ila gambe di ya fon sometimes ikela pour ko mol ne gambe di ya fon ni okay will other people see you huh ni afo ko baro la mi ko baro bitir gambians afala baro bitir you people amanga men bitir baro on defala ame gambian citizen mba gambian fa gambian baro man ta bitir am mba fa bitir am ko to bitir man mo bitir so ni ko baro mo bitir baro ya bitir ala ato ma mawlaji ala baro i bitre ka fo yalo nga denta demento ni me man do ko ke la masa kundalem look anybody me man do ko ke don weed them out simple ay dama ko lolu dia akay jol mo ni jam do ko adama jol adama sey mo be jono huh sometimes ni social media fo mo jiben or you look at some papers or you can radio mo la ka même fo come on if fo ko fo me yalo ko ni allah taala te mo yalla te me fo to nyata ji ke ba ko do ime mira alala imana ko ala mudi wo ko fa ala be ko ndi bolal ha why ala ngapo nya fo nyoy why non ndiam folo han to le keteng nko ni ala men kam men dete kenu lati why ala ke ka kuti jongole nay ka sababoti bar hanin gambe be la ko ala mbaro kala man ni ala ko atakala ni atakalati ni gambe be le fanan ko ala mbaro kala be kala man satle jongol ay gambe be ko ala mbaro kala man satle ala ko atakala ha come on ala ngaji be do ge ale lu ngolum da mol sabula mol be mol banina e be mol nenna the only crime that you commit wala ya ala mbaro support that's the only crime wala ke bane ge ike mo do bane fotel ba futu bat among friendly, the only crime that the guy commits is that he's supporting Adama Barrow. That's why he's insulting him. And he said, you are the very one who told us that Adama Barrow, you are the very one who chose Adama Barrow over Oji Jalo, over Halifa Sallah. All these political leaders. Huh? And today, when we are supporting that Adama Barrow, you ask that Kamul Bane. Yemul Bane, Yemul Fanning, Yemul Ning, Yemul Kumuning, Yefum Befo Modi. Yeah, political Fajar Tola. Huh? I just told about. Ni afondu pokin nem nteke mem fon understand. Nobody will tell you Adama Barrow in betrayal. Ay jamfal. Nobody will tell you ay jamfa mena. Hey, ali ngang hakilo to. Ngalon ko Gambia is bigger than any Gambia la mben tol be nyaato. Gambia ba Oje Jallow e nyanto men so je dole nyanto soto. Halifa Saleh nyanto men so dole nyanto soto. Fatoumata Tamba Jandi den vice president nyanto men so dole nyanta kidon soto. E mo be nyanta kidon soto jam. Ni mun na masa kundalti. It cannot be animal farm. we are equal or some are more equal than others. No, it's not possible. Yeah, it's a king of the Adam Barrow support. And I'm supporting that Adam Barrow. If you know when you can Adam Barrow support, you don't tell me any reason why Adam Barrow support. There is no reason. Yeah, you just hate people, just hate them because Adam Barrow support. Hey, nienta hate ala enta kanu wole if ita enta kanu ti. Ala enta kanu is okay. No, Adam Barrow na provide. Ala kanu de. If you just think that you can hate me, ele dia mo Facebook, ele tente wala Adam Barrow bondaji. 2021 is coming. Avec c'est là, c'est. Huh? Why? But the president, what name this opponent? What look, let's criticize the government, let's criticize Adama Barrow. But mo fen ponen di role ku down. Wala kita. Wala be kiri. Ite nyanto men so daga men to nyanto so jam ba wuro jam fa wuro jam mama wuro jam mu wuro jam be wuro jam. Ya nyanto men so do nganya takino so. Huh? So I'm not better than you in any way. But the moment you start supporting Adama Barrow, you are not a good citizen. Ite manka banku din kendoti. Ite manka banku din kendoti. Me Adama Barrow support wala ngambe din kendoti. Me Adama Barrow support wala ngambe din kendoti. Ni Adama Barrow support e manka din kendoti. Huh? Okay. I remember there was even a program, not a program, what I'm going to go. Whether Adama Barrow support ka ha, ante Adama Barrow support 100%. Ako yala anja muna la kunyo katule manin kaya tinyal ale badi mun kaya tinyal so manin kaya ni badi mun kaya wala mun koy manya na Barrow support la ala nga ñone ne bula ali nga ñone ne bula ñone ne ala nga bula mbadi mun ko li kiyam ko ala wa ngal nyaa dula dol jele be nyame momon ni na kale ko ha e ga bulo kasale ka ko go against your president atolem opposition kendol e gal bo e ko ta mal fale atolem opposition bulo kasale ala fa betiata because if you say nite film for against Masakunda o yem wonning wala mi tele mu din kendoti but même mo wonning abe sininga abe tonkuna abe jide iya mi raslati den disana amari man sila no amari man sila no fali amari man sila ayi bula dron ayni ala bula jini wala ma ko amari sila terale o amon ko yebba nan do mata bono la ite kidim po amari se keme fono yene nekidin sa amari se keme safenole yefen fendi for people can do better than you. But the reason we are not doing it is because of Namenje, Walamko, Umaka civilization. Political in your bane manna. Political in your kaja for manna. Nito Wala Wala can you kaja become bane? No, it's not going to work. But every day, banning, the only crime that you commit is by supporting Adama Barrow. Huh? And then they come back and only can go carry ya joke. Hey, Adama Barrow. Guy Barrow to us is like Moses is to Israel. He's our savior, Adama Barrow. We them where like wo, mama like wo, wale keta. Ale atele samana pura yam bondi. No ale akele ayam bondi. Yeah? Ale akele ayam bondi. Busy and then we all die on bondi gam abe diaring. Paul be diaring. Barrow time my uncle, this is the problem. This is the funniest thing. Huh? This is the funniest thing. Bring Adama Barrow be bring Cole be diaring. Nobody talks. Nka Presley. I could remember Adama Barrow na ko konte UDP mbota tenne ngani ko UDP o ngani neketendo. Everybody clap for him. But when Cole that manage to we all start going against him. Hey, ngo ngame mfale muna nga hakilo to. Ne Allah Taala te mon ko ina fa nga hakilo to. Ti samante ya je Dauda akabo jutu na yalla bala. E jutu je la mo men na la society kono. Wala kana fi samo beti. Mbe exemple kindi de la. Ila mo men fon ya bay la so kono ya bay da diate ni da ya bay. Ni me hakilo to tele bolo kono kala ba wala bulu. Ikala ba wole bulu. This is it. Look at every time 10. Come on. Enough is enough. Mol batata len diam molale. You take a diam for me and it doesn't hold any water. You to mol criticize, you to mol ban and to fonko kala ko te. Take time to what? And then I said this one, I will continue it. Mba continue le kende ke fon. Mba continue le sign. Comment est-ce que kenol mena mol ta kenola ali mo na so mena ko mol ma soto mol be jene la balu on tele nte balu tele bi fombe ko député ngam mo men ma ko no bi man jene be kala député bi mbuko fonkino so ni me yamira ko kare député ala keten ten no you go and ask people many long bari mol fala wurol every day be mol nenna be mol ba nenna be mol kete ten itlam jumat man ni ko fear it wawul ko fear of God is the beginning of the wisdom ninte be silala besla ala da mala jongo hade ma di wonten silata Allah taala da mala atelenda pempen ni keta ngalon ko atelek je bat wona kita mulla banko mi alon ko kombe covid-19 ko no kuno la kede mi alon ko ngade ngakele je president utata ay mo bela effort acknowledge ko gambe di wolde albakata kana ala baraka kar albenin ke kana albenin ke kanne barin tol man fen so fakka fen foka fako adam baro is clueless tenin manu nyata na junla adam baro nanga fen foyde hanni tata manu la ta yepentu yabe ko golti e ba fala ko yaga golle nyata kala manu yaga golti that's what they are going to say wala nan ko did we really know what we want sanka jula ni embar ngeta ali ngaji beton Gambia no be mom fala modi pour wolam dono nga ñoko to dia to limo Gambia di wolati Gambia ni ñaato tan to be la fri wala Gambia ya fonso be la fri wala comme ali nga ñaato ko li nge support ni be ku kam yanon ko Gambia na faale be ali nga lo fi nge support nga jago Gambia la na fa soto jire ni manka wati me yanon ko one can score a political point honey one thing this is not that time we are not that time no fancy that everybody you can go yela fen fo mo yeli go and sell your agendas to people ni asano if they want you they vote you in office but mo baka mo keno masadi by force de masaya ka fumbe karle ka president by force no amon so da amon wona so dunia no ara so do fana alal ka man so tombo alal ka daman so da alal ka man so tombo no be habe tombo na amoje ma be ji no tan ko adama baro adama ba e rebe apakari no sometimes you can have people saying hanta mo amano akono thing ateng that's all what we complain. But coming from let's look at the policies and programs that are in place. Ngadi be mbol crisis that yamin to correct those things. What is important? What is not but even if you talk ye bani, atinal ko gamen no dolki ponse hey sila watu bantale. Me ye bana ye dey amali man fiseti ni man sila di fanan. Itele fisata amali ti in the eye of Allah. Moment yeta bana ye nyala kasar ya bole jir ite mari fisa ba totle alaya. Alaji bendoro barenga ku kilim pole mbe kuma ke pole jamia non lefta agamenul albi ala hakilo to ali hakilo to ba adama baro nga jibe the beginning 2018 bi ko tare fenketa no anim bi ko be nyaming let's look at the difference kunu anim bi adama be nyaming kunu je mo jella kanu anim bi mo jella kanu alaka taman sirul dina ala is even as a warning ko fi samanteya nyaje dawda aka ba jutuna yara bara ala nga jibe do fisamante ayaje dawda akabo jutna yalla bala comme alingan da haka jutu molla alingan da haka jutu nyola alin kana ko carburant family carlet o carburant si carnet o carburant tene nga jutula hani o manta gambe sambala alin be yente o siti gambe la gambe me yalon ko fo mu manja koti fo mu akoti fo mu sereroti fo mu jolati mbebe kambele mbebe ka mbeta be telejandi. That is it. Walam Gambia yati. Alimbe yo kata. Alimbe yo kata. Ningo kata tombe Gambia soro la famena. Ningo kata la fa Gambia namba soro la. But nimmoke. Kombe mol divide like this section of people are good. You ndol man betia. You naka Adam Barroso for manga Gambia din kendoti. You naka Adam Barroso for ninam Gambia din kendoti. My dear, o manta Gambia sambala. Man ningol ko. Ite nyo fila yeti wutu. It's not even possible. Among possible fang yenyo fi yeti wutu honey. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes around. Mo fumoli. All of this one. Baro is our Baro. Baro to us is like Moses is to Israel. All of this and be disappear. ikemane moy baro mu jam fan tumoti baro is clueless mala moy this is the common word kemane moy today everybody mo man membe fo boda mala fola baro is clueless baro en jam fal baro en salim bala alkanam ko directly so wala be caring alinga hakiloto president wona sala bala do kola alinga mutafe kafe fa wona say you own your voters card go and vote for anybody yes let us debate on issues me anko they are pertinent to our development of this country wala jena kumayata wala ben sambala nyato wala ben futan la place me anko mom futa ji akanede ni ko sira ya evident to combat kala ma ne woni fonko ne other countries are moving alimbala de please men kan call kan call directly mbena mo walu just come but you can understand mobi e mo ni feveni jara mo media fo fine but mo fengu there no open tale say enough is enough we will come out and talk to people about what is happening in this country mo ta mo ni nuna e ka men be fa be e men be fo it's all fake kaf adam baroteng be is all fake to nya kilinta ko hono ite ko ndey adam baro support iko nyiko ngakati fa adam baroy preke president je ngakati fa adam baro ko bunda ay bunda yede asila salo jana wala la baro ko adam baro man betia adam yen jamfala adam is clueless adam teng fu ne kera what is going on what is going on ite muna no mela molta ke no la ebe muna fono mela molta fono la my dear mon député wolti e magnene yinkala tendin nko on mon député wolti and I will continue doing this. If you have a problem with it, wait for me at 2022 parliamentary election. E balon nan kamé mo ka moy fo bu ka moy alimbala de internet ol na connection ol man betia but anyway mba den la janni by sometimes in the weekend fanang I will come back and then wo mina nga diam moli mba kala in suwa kan wala ni suwa mba din suwa fana men be la ma kan say nul fana sa diam no ya mu en kamem fo so ala baraka bake ben na la janni fo wat ko ni ala sunta ida saturday or sunday I will come back and then also ni moli si nga kacha nga diam mu men be keri ko renke and then no fana sida we move to another topic again ala baraka thank you